Okay, so look here. So to display the unordered list, instead of the OL, we will use here what? Is it clear? Any problem? In the ordered list, we have a variety of lists. We can display with the help of capital Roman number like 1, 2, 3. Then we have a, let me to erase this one and again.
Definition is also not.
This one I taught, and again see no problem. Then I started. So we have a which one? Roman number. And in the Roman number, also we have a what? Two types. A small Roman number and we have a capital Roman number. Then we have a alphabet. In the alphabet also we have a what? A small alphabet ABC and we have a capital alphabet also ABC. And the third one is a what? Number. Number, that means we can also say as a what? Digit. So digit means 1, 2, 3, 4 and that one is known as a what? Default list. Default list means if we will use only the OL tag, then which one will come? Numbered list. That is the default one. So in the OL we have two attributes. The first one is known as a what? Type, and the second one is a what? Start. If we have to start from the some point, just for example, I want to start from 10, 11, 12, 13. I want to start from the 100, 101, 1000, 1001, 1003. Clear? So we will use here what? Start. From which point we want to start the list. And if we want to use in the ordered list different type of list, for example, small Roman number, capital Roman number, we want a small alphabet, capital alphabets. So for that what we have a type. Okay, which type of ordered list you are going to use. So look here, what will be the value of the type attribute? If we are writing here type is equal to small I, what we are writing? For example, OL type is equal to what we are writing? A small I. So that means all the list it may display in the form of a small Roman number. Clear? If we are writing OL type is equal to capital I, so that means the list will be displayed by using the capital Roman number. Sorry, any doubt? Any doubt? Any clarification? If we want to display list in the form of alphabet, and I will show you which list we are discussing, A. And if we want to display the list by using the capital alphabet, then what? A. And for the number you have a both option. You can write OL also and you can also write OL what? Type is equal to 1. Clear? Any doubt? So look here how different type of list it may give in a board examinations. So look here. For example, sometimes they are giving a display like that: A computer. They have given B hardware. Yeah, they may give C software. They may give such type of list to display also. They can also give with the help of small alphabets this list of subject. The heading is what? List of subject. And the list of subject they can give with the alphabet also. Hindi, B computer. Yeah, we can give C math. the English. Clear? Yeah, suppose it is given also like that, a list of student. List of student in this format, in the form of a small Roman number 1, Abhay, 2, Raj, 3, Shreya, 4, which name? Abhishek. Clear? So if they are giving this different type of list, so these all list is called as a which type of list? Ordered list. And to display the ordered list, which tag we have to use? OL tag. Clear? So when we are going to write the code for this one, so we will write here OL, and which type of list is there? Alphabet list. And to display the alphabet, we have to use the type. And in that also we have to see it is a small letter alphabet or the capital letter alphabet. For the capital letter, what we will write? OL, type is equal to A. Clear? And then we will mark all the list item li what? Computer. Then we will write here li what? Hardware. And then I will write here li what? Software. Clear? Then the output will come like that. Clear? For this one, first I will write here what? Heading, list of subject. And then from the next line I will write here OL, type is equal to which one? A small a, because all the list is shown by the what? A small letter alphabet. And then again what I will write here? Li, Hindi. And we will see here what? Li, computer. Like that we will write here Li, math. And then again Li what? English. Clear? To display this list, we will write here list of student, OL, type is equal to small I. What we will write here? OL type is equal to small I, and then all the students' name we will mark by the what? Li tag. Is it clear? And if it is a number, then you have both options. You can write only the OL tag, or you can write OL type is equal to 1, because number 1 is the default one. Either you may use type or not, the number value will display default. Now same thing with we have with which one? Unordered list. So in the unordered list we have 3 type of values. One is known as a disk. Disk means a circle that is filled by black color. So it is called as a which one? Disk type. Which type of unordered list is this? Disk. And another one we have, that is a circle. Circle means empty circle. Means one circle is there in that no values are filled. And we have a one square one like that. So this is known as a which type of list? Unordered list. Even it is given to display in this format, so we have to use which tag? UL tag. By default, the UL is showing which type of list? Disk. To display such type of list, the value of type is a what? Disk. D-I-S-C. And to display such type of list, the value of UL type is equal to what we will write? UL type is equal to circle. And to display this type of value, what we have to write? UL type is equal to square. And if we are going to display this one, so you have both options. You can use only UL also, or if you want to use with a type attribute, so you can write here UL type is equal to what? Disk. Is it clear? Any doubt? And then your first heading is what? UL type is equal to disk. and then LI computer. Clear? LI hardware, LI software.
So that UL type at once only, right? That UL type.
Yes, UL we have to write their UL first time, because we have to tell to the compiler कि which type of list we are going to display. So these are unordered list. So UL will tell to compiler कि we want unordered list. Okay? Any doubt? Now one thing always you have to keep in your mind कि whenever we are writing UL or OL, look here. If we have one example I want to give you. We have written here OL. Look here carefully. We have written here OL, and then we have written here LI and written subject. And then after I have written here UL, and then I have written here LI subject Hindi and LI computer. And then I have written here LI math, and then I have written here LI science, and then I have closed here UL, and then I have written LI teacher, and then again UL. Yeah, again we have written here teacher LI, like that, some names. So what will be the output of this following line? So always keep in your mind that the LI will follow the nearest UL or OL. Nearest means which one is open earlier. So look here. First what we have open? So LI will follow the nearest open one. So this LI will work according to which one? Clear? Then again I have opened the UL here. Clear? So this LI will follow to the this UL, not this OL. Is it clear? This LI will follow to which one? Nearest one. And nearest one is which one? UL. So this LI will follow to this UL. This also will follow to this one. This also will follow to this. And this one is also follow to this. When we have closed this one, so this chapter is closed. And this LI will follow then which one? Which one nearest open? So whenever we are going to write the output, we have to do this work very carefully. We have to show the list by nearest OL and nearest UL. Is it clear? Now we are going to see the another list that is known as a nested list. What is the nested? First of all, we have to know what is the nested form. Any statement again used inside the statement used again inside the statement is called which statement? Is called the nested statement. So here we are discussing about which one? Nested list. That means list inside the list is called as a what? Nested list. Clear? So here it is called as a nested list, but in our general terms we are calling as a what? List and sublist. List and sublist. How it is the? I will show you. Look here. For example, we are discussing about the parts of the hardware. Clear? So first we have written CPU. In the CPU, how many parts are there? We have a ALU. We have a MU. Yeah, we have a what? C. Clear? Second, in the computer, we have two parts. What we have? First one is the hardware, and the second one is a software. So look here, if you will notice 1 and 2, it is a list, and inside this one we have another list. Clear? And little bit I have done mistake with the alignment. So let me to write once again with the correct alignment. 1, we have a what? CPU. Then A here we have a ALU, B we have a CU, and C we have a MU. Then second one we have a what? Computer. And the computer what we have a first one we have a what? Hardware. And the second one is a what? And this is a Roman number. Second one we have a software. So look here, this one and this one. So that is called as a what? We can say as a nested list. List inside the list. It is called as a what? This one is a list inside the list. That is called as a. So whenever we are getting such type of structure in that list and sub list are nested, it also given, then we have to work very carefully. First of all, it may be in such a way, if first it is given ordered list and sub list is given in form the unordered list. Yeah, it may be the ordered list. So here what we have, ordered and ordered. Ordered and ordered. Yeah, maybe sometimes we are getting ordered and what? Unordered. Or maybe we can see here unordered and ordered, then again. Clear? So look here how we will do this work. That is called as a nested list programming. So for the nested list, first of all we will see in the starting which type of list is showing there. So which type of list is showing there? Unordered list. So to display such type of list, what will be the first statement? UL type is equal to what? Square. Is it clear? UL type is equal to square. And the first item we have to display, that is a what? CPU. So what I will write? Li, and then I have to display the CPU. And the CPU has a what? Again sublist. So for the sublist again I will write here what? OL type is equal to what? A, because the ordered list is in the form of alphabet. So to display in the form of alphabet, we have to use the type attribute. So OL type is equal to A.
Then we will not close UL.
No, we will not close the UL. Be careful. We will not close the UL. And then I will write here what? Li. The first one is the ALU, and then Li. What we will write? CU, and then Li. What we have? And then here finally I will close what one? OL. And then again, if I will use the Li, it will work according to which one? Upper one, and we want upper one. We want as it is in the upper one, and what we have to display there? So what we write here? Li. And then what we have to write? Li and Li. Is it clear? Ordered list and unordered list and nested order list. There's any problem? Clear now?
If there will be unordered list from computer, so again, this
Yeah.
is ordered. That computer is written before that unordered it is not square.
Yeah.
For example, it will be ordered then.
Like that you want. 1 and 2.
Yes.
Upper side unordered is
Look here. If upper side is unordered list and that one is a ordered list, so here the different structures we follow. Then here we have done UL, no problem. Li comes CPU we have done, and we have displayed these all items, and we have closed the OL, and then itself here I will close this UL also. Itself here what I will close here, and then here I will not write only LI. I will start with which one? OL, and then LI what? Computer, and then I will follow with the UL. But you will not get such type of structures. Clear? When we are talking about the sub list. Clear? So the all the lists are in one order, and sub list maybe it may be seen in some different order. Maybe order or maybe unordered. Like that, open the exercise in your book. Page number 106, activity zone, and see the question number 2. You also see here activity zone. What is this one? No, no. Go this is also. Yeah, go. Questions are not given. Go watch and they can see. What? Page number 106. Those who have an old book, I think they will not get. And those who have an old book, you just see the lesson number 9, I think list and images. This may be shown there. And here it is given. To create a web page designing your interface by using ordered and unordered as follows. Write the code for the case. Question number 2. Read the questions very carefully.